This week we have a trending print that I thought was just for kids, but is really engaging even for me. It was fun to get the kids off devices and doing something in the real world. Ugh, I sound old. I'll come back to that though. I have to go shoo some neighbourhood kids off my lawn. The standard design doesn't need any supports and there's 2 styles of pieces, but there's a bunch of remixes already with different types. I did them all in orange because it doesn't really matter if they're all the same or different. I also did the base in matte wood and the top in lime green, so it kind of looked like a tree. You just place a piece and don't let them fall. Rules are that simple and don't need any more explaining, but one thing that we did add was that if you somehow get all the pieces on, you then have to start taking them off one by one, which is harder than it sounds, and we could normally only get 1 or 2 off before it went over after that. It's a really cute game and I can recommend it. I'd probably check out the remixes because there's already one that is its own box, which now I printed the original, I can see storing it is going to be a bit tricky. I'm going to start a new series soon because I found after a few months of these trending videos, with a day job and family, it's tricky to get a trending print video out in time while it's still trending. So if you found a 3D print that you think might have been lost in the vastness of download sites and hasn't got the airtime it deserves, let me know and it might appear in an upcoming video. Comment below or DM me on Instagram. That's it for another week. See you next time.